So what's the cost of maintenance? Hi, I'm Jason Taylor. I'm the sales director here at Van Martin Roofing. People often ask, once I get a new roof, how much does it cost to maintain it? The good news? Not much, as long as it's done right. Let me explain. As far as cost goes, a professional annual inspection usually runs about $150 to $300, depending on the size and complexity of your home. But when you're a Van Martin customer, that inspection is part of our complimentary yearly service program. There's no extra cost. If your roof was installed correctly, maintenance costs are very minimal. Most homeowners are surprised to learn that keeping your roof in great shape doesn't mean spending a lot of money. It just means staying proactive. We recommend having your roof inspected once a year, ideally in the spring or fall, before and after Ohio's harsher weather seasons. During that yearly visit, our team checks shingles for cracking, curling, or missing pieces, flashing, which is the thin metal around chimneys, skylights, and vents that keep water out, sealant and fasteners to make sure they're watertight, and lastly, attic ventilation, which plays a big role in how long your roof lasts. Poor airflow can trap heat and moisture, damaging your shingles from underneath. These quick checkups catch small issues like a nail that's backed out or a cracked seal before they turn into leaks or expensive repairs. We also recommend a few simple things you can do yourself throughout the year. 1. Keep your gutters clean. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up under the shingles. 2. Trim back overhanging branches. Falling limbs and constant shade causes wear and moss buildup. And 3. Watch for granules in your gutters. That's one of the first signs your shingles are aging. Think of it like a regular oil change for your car. Small routine maintenance keeps your investment running strong for decades. And when your roof is installed the right way from the start, maintenance isn't a hassle. It's just peace of mind. Want to schedule your free yearly inspection or learn more about how to maintain your roof? Click the link in our bio to get started.